Happy New Year's, everybody. I thought I would take my new DJI drone, the Neo, out for a little spin. Here it is following me a little bit. It can do different things such as follow you. It can do a selfie of you. It can rocket up in the air and take another picture of you or surroundings. It can do a lot of things, which is pretty cool. Anyhow, while I started the walk, I noticed my Michigan flag, go blue, everybody, was caught on a little shrubbery there, which I was not too pleased with, but I successfully got it off of there. And I decided to take a walk down my street just to see how the droney would follow me. And it did pretty good. Actually, my Neo would follow me. Excuse me. It did fairly well. No big deals going around here. It does not have any obstacle avoidance systems on it, so you really have to watch where you're going. And there's some low hanging branches coming up here a little bit. And so I moved a little bit around it to avoid any mishaps. Had crashed into my neighbor's house once and it bounced off and nothing happened. It was good. It's a durable little thing there, my DJI Neo. And by the way, DJI is not paying me for this. So DJI, if you're watching this, I think you should pay me for this.
Keep that change, you filthy animal.
Right now I have the DJI Neo. I also have a new DJI Mini 4K, which I have not taken out for a spin yet. I also have the DJI Mavic Air 2. Anyhow, I'm walking along here, and there you see me looking at it again. I'm going to go down just a bit further. I decided to take a run for about a foot or so. Yes, that's the most I want to run at my age. And then I decided to turn around at some point up here, I think by the next driveway. And so I did just that. And here I go. I'm spinning around and I'm walking back to go back from whence I came. And there I go, running a little bit again, just to show you that I can run a few feet and a few feet more. And it's pretty freaking amazing what I can do when I put my fast feet into motion, which isn't often. Anywho, I walk back and the snow is coming down a little bit. The drones follow me very, very nicely, as you can see. And I'm going to cross around here any second now. And there I go. Down the road. Now you're going to see a little mishap here, but I'm really pleased the way this handled this. See that little bounce there? It came back and found me and it follows some more. And I was really tickled and pleased as punch to do this. And I decided to go back a little bit further past my driveway, past the neighbor's place, which I've not even reached my driveway yet. So what the heck am I doing? I go around there just to see if I can trick it. And I did not trick it. It's pretty freaking amazing, as I like to say. Oh, now I'm running some more there. And my God, look at me go. Anyhow, there is our van, which currently is up for sale. If you're interested, make a comment and I will get back to you. So there you have it. I'm going to go around and now I'm landing the van, excuse me much. And there you have it. That's the end.